after my course was completed, I got a job opportunity through Institute of Product Leadership, and I'm still currently working for the same company after my course was done. Hi, my name is Adithya Acharya. I am a product manager for Travelfika. That's a US-based startup, and I've been working as a product manager for past 1.5 years. And I was a key member for the startup, and I've built the product from the scratch. So I was a gamer from past 8 years. I used to stream, I used to play tournaments and all those things. So I was stuck in a point where I had no clue what I had to do in my life. As India is not friendly with gamers, and there is no career options in India for a gamer. So I started looking what can be a better option to me, because I didn't have much experience in any other working industry. Only gaming experience was there. I used to manage teams and all those things. So that clicked me that let's find something better which can suit my career. After looking into it, I thought product management would be a better choice for a career. First thing is management. Hands off to the management. They are there all the time. You have any doubts, any queries, they are there for you. Instant, and all the follow-ups they provide are very good. One-on-one mentorship with the faculties or the mentors. So whatever doubts you have, it's instantly solved. You can just ask them. Career labs, live projects, and career events where they provide all the mock interviews or maybe live projects. We also get to interact with the product leaders, and they help us a lot with our career, or maybe if you have any sort of doubts, they are there for you.